Hi everyone, this is Ihan Tsai. I am the product management lead at Advantech's iFactory team. Today, I'll be introducing iFactory's Total Productive Maintenance Solution TPM. Our focus today will be on TPM. From the TPM or Total Productive Maintenance methodology's point of view, involvement of all employees helps to ensure everything is in good working order, leading to increased throughput and quality of production. iFactory TPM is iFactory's solution of the same name, leveraging the methodology's key values to address some of the challenges we mentioned about digital transformation for manufacturing. The solution is formed by multiple apps designed to make use of IoT data collection in handling process events and to create transparency in understanding what's actually going on in your shop floor. So, where does the IoT data come from? Data from the production equipment are collected using gateways. Feedback from employees are aggregated from input on HMI and mobile device sources. Both are important sources of IoT data for building transparency to better track changes in the shop floor. The apps in TPM leverages the data to raise events, to flag anomalies affecting production, and provides dashboard visualizations to enable first-line management to quickly grasp the situation. Our TPM solution breaks down shop floor management into two phases, with apps to support the IoT data in each phase. The first phase is to acquire data to get an understanding of what's going on in your shop floor. Discovered anomalies raise events to alert management that something is wrong. The second phase is to handle raised events by assigning tickets or providing guidance so that production returns to normal. Our first app addresses these questions specifically. No longer would you have to guess these metrics. The OEE has everything calculated for you. Just open the dashboard once the machines are connected for data collection, and your machine performance data is ready for your review. Furthermore, if any of your equipment provides an error response, OEE can automatically set up a repair ticket with our other maintenance app to speed up the handling of repairs. Now for the second app, Andon. We all know things happen on the floor every day, even with the most familiar of products and experienced teams. Be it material shortages, issues with production changeover, Murphy's Law is always with us. To get things back to running order, the traditional way are using light towers to assign error codes. But when the error codes are flashing, it always seems to take ages to have someone come and look at the problem, and even longer before another engineer comes back with the right tools to fix it. With Andon, you can now track all the support requests as tickets. Which workstation raised the request, who's taking care of the ticket, and currently handling status are tracked by the app to help ensure each ticket is resolved. A central dashboard provides quick access to a list of pending tickets and the floor map which highlights which stations require assistance, making it much easier for management to follow up on key issues blockading production. In addition to handling repair tickets, Maintenance app also provides scheduling for maintenance tasks. You can set up routine checks, annual maintenance schedules to keep equipment running at the best condition. Scheduling data can be shared with ERP systems to avoid schedule conflicts with production plans. A companion app is also available to support engineers on the floor. Work progress can be recorded as notes or photos to quickly log assigned work and pass on experience to other team members. The last app is Emmanuel, which provides digital work instructions. Conventional instructions are either printed or distributed at production changeover in Word or PDF format to be viewed on the workstation monitor or in paper. Emmanuel takes a more interactive approach to allow step-by-step guidance with reporting. Instructions are delivered based on the assigned work order, so you no longer need to worry about giving out the wrong document. Material requirements can also be defined and tracked by scanning the material barcodes during the related step. For critical steps requiring specific work setups or actions, Emmanuel has an optional visual analytics module to perform automated checking to ensure compliance. All work tracked via Emmanuel are logged and can be used in customer audits to demonstrate conformance and give customers more confidence in your production quality. So, with so many different scales of manufacturing operations, you may wonder what would be the best case for your current situation. We've narrowed down the scenarios into 3 cases to help you get started. The first, you may want to have a POC quickly to understand what are the benefits gained in transforming your manufacturing operations digitally. Second, you might have a single manufacturing site which you want to monitor and manage with these solutions. Lastly, you may already have a large operation with multiple manufacturing sites and you want to manage them all. Based on these 3 scenarios, iFactory provides corresponding deployment options. To provide the quickest support for your POC, we can have deployments via IPC using the Mic 770 selection or our public cloud services hosted on Azure. For single-site deployments, we offer Sky 7221 server configurations with 10 cores, and Sky 7221 in 16-core configurations for centralized management of multiple manufacturing sites from your data center. We hope to provide the most flexible solution services to support you on your digital transformation journey. Thank you.